Doing shit to the BMWs.
Like?
Taking the seats out.
And then doing what?
Putting them in that.
So this seat is going in that one, and that seat is going in this one. And he wants that seat to also go in that one. There may or may not be birds living in there. Unknown.
Don't talk about it. It's bright.
Yeah. Aaron's waiting for another day for that because he doesn't know how to get the seatbelt thingamabob off.
Yeah, fuck all that.
I know he's doing that. Maybe.
Oh, he comes right out, man.
Until it doesn't.
It's fucking...
What are you gonna do when you find a snake?
Run! Run, old man.
Ew. And then he's gonna have to figure out how to get that side out. Fun. Bright lights. On another note, all work seems to halt when a kitten shows up. Cute cat. Midway through putting those other seats in, we decided that we wanted to clean them. And the easiest way to clean them midwinter in not Ohio is just scrub them.